Hi, I'm Mark. Thanks for joining me today in the labs of Filaments.ca. We're glad to be showing you our patented PURGE product today that's made in Canada that is exclusive here to Filaments.ca. The PURGE filament is really important for you to use and a real cost saver. You'll find that using it significantly helps you reduce and avoid maintenance costs that otherwise you'd incur. What happens is, over time, your extruder head is a lot like a cooking pot. Every time it heats and cools, you have materials that crust inside of it, and eventually those crusted bits break off and they'll clog your nozzle. What we've done is we've developed a material that's commercially used in much larger machines and scaled it to the right proportions for 3D printers. What it allows to happen is it's a high molecular weight material that will actually pull the materials out that are stuck inside and keep the nozzle clean. It also bonds to the metal and allows the material to flow over it. So using the patented PURGE filament will reduce your maintenance by up to 400% in reducing the nozzle wear and extending the life of your extruder head, which is the most expensive part of your 3D printer. Again, these materials are available from us here at Filaments.ca, where we spent 2 years in development with this material. We're going to show you some things a little closer up and how to use a PURGE filament, and also let you know about some free resources that are available to you on Filaments.ca that will help you use and extend the life of your 3D printer. You'll find we'll go from this extreme to this. Now, if you're changing colors, you may want to take this one step further. And there are resources available to you on Filaments.ca's website. If you look up PURGE under the material description, you'll find a program that's in 4 different machine languages to be able to print this PURGE ring. This PURGE ring is about 3 grams of material, but you'll notice the gradient when we started it was dark, and as you print higher and higher it becomes lighter and lighter. So when you get to the top of this, you can tell by the color that it's clear. So that's what you want to do in cases where you're changing colors or materials. You want to make sure that any contamination is cleared out. Remember, you want to use your PURGE filament every time you shut your machine down. You don't need to use very much. It's very effective. Just a couple of inches every time. Press it into the extruder head and turn your machine off. Restart your machine at a temperature range of 165 to 190 C or 330 degrees to 375 F to press out that little bit of material when you restart your machine. By shutting down your 3D printer and starting your machine with a small amount of the PURGE loaded in the extruder, you'll significantly extend the life of your extruder, nozzle, printer head, and assembly. There are instructions on the back of the card of the material, so you'll be able to see what I've explained to you once again. But again, there are resources available, including the program to print that ring on the Filaments.ca website.